Jody Cordell from jodicordell.com. Friday night, and I've got my wine, and I am feeling fine. Yay! I'm actually going to wash my face for you guys today. Let me explain how I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. This is what I use, and I absolutely love this product. This whole set, a whole cleansing, moisturizing, and treatment set, but it's actually for ladies who are a little wiser. I'm a little older. You see a lot of people who are younger that get on to YouTube and they do fabulous makeovers, and oh my gosh, I know some women who have just the most amazing skin and the most amazing bone structure, and they do all kinds of amazing things to their face, and then they just look like, oh my god, so amazing. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see all of this, and I've got spots. Look at me. Look at this, y'all. I am a natural redhead. My skin is pale and very spotty. Spotted. Look at that. That's just not cute. I mean, I have pale skin. Oh. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You know what that is, y'all? That means I'm over 40. Oh. But I was at least smart enough in my late 20s and early 30s to start wearing sunscreen on my face because I didn't do a very good job down here, and I've got freckles. They just bleed together. I mean, that's just, oh, that's rough. This is the delicate décolleté. You need to put sunscreen here. I didn't do that. I was not very smart. But you know what? We didn't know any better. But you guys, I'm telling you now, don't forget to treat this and this with the same type of stuff that you're doing with this. You want your face and your neck and your décolleté to all match. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is important. We didn't know that the sun was doing so much damage to our skin. I distinctly remember being down at our family's lake house, and my aunt was out there laying in the lawn chair, and she had put Crisco all over herself, where her bikini wasn't, all over her skin. And I said, why are you putting Crisco on your skin? And she said, well, if it'll brown chicken, it'll brown me. Now, just let that sink in for just a minute, because think about that. What are you doing when you're browning chicken? You're cooking it. It's just, we didn't know so many things. There's so much stuff that we just took for granted and just didn't realize. Just sunscreen, y'all. Sunscreen on your face, on your neck, and on your décolleté. Nobody likes wrinkles here. And worse than that, nobody likes skin cancer. Don't put Crisco. That's a bad idea. So anyway, let me just kind of get started with what I'm doing here. I'm going to actually just, I have this rag here. I wet my face. Now what I'm going to do, I've got my cleanser. And, these are amazing, you guys. If you don't have a skin brush, you need one. A facial brush. Facial brushes get your skin so much cleaner than just your hands alone. Have you ever ended up spending the night at someone's house and then wake up the next morning, you're like, oh, I really need to brush my teeth. My teeth are gross. If you do it with your finger, you get a little toothpaste in there, but it's not doing much good, right? But when you use a brush, obviously you're doing exactly the way you're supposed to. And that's awesome. So the brush kind of does the same thing. So now I'm going to rinse. And I'm going to rinse out this brush too because it's dirty now. So I clean these pretty much after every time I wash my face. I'm going to do that right now. All right. I am all nice and rinsed off. I've got all the cleanser is off of my skin now. So I'm all set for the next step. Now it's nighttime, so this is the day cream. I don't want that one. I want the night one. So the night one actually has retinol in it. I love this stuff. This is not a moisturizer. This is actually a repair cream. This particular cream right here is actually going to go to work on repairing wrinkles and fine lines and other damaged bits of my skin. So the day stuff actually is where the sunscreen is. So the SPF is in that one. So you don't want to sleep in that one. You want to use this one at nighttime. So, and it's cool. I love these things. Look, you just press down the top of it and it squirts out their little amount for you. I love it. Took me forever to figure that out, by the way. So I'm just going to, I have this. Oh, there it is. Let's put this all over my face. I only used one squirt. That's all you need. And I'm going to go ahead and put it down. I put this all the way, all down here. Because, I mean, do you see how the skin starts to sag and you get little lines in your neck and all? And, of course, I have no chin. No chin. I turn to the side. I have no profile. My profile goes back inwards. It's weird. I look like Beaker from The Muppet Show. I don't know if you ever watched that. I might have just dated myself a whole lot. Not like you can't tell I'm not 25, you guys. I'm not trying to be something I'm not. Seriously. You know, this is what I have found. It's really easy if you're in skincare and cosmetics to grab some 25-year-old model and make her look good. I could do that all day. It's all good. However, take somebody my age, because at the time of this video, I am 47 years old. As of 2 months ago, almost 3. Wow, geez. A quarter of my 47th year is almost already gone by. Oh my good Lord. Slow the hell down, all of you. That's all I'm going to try to say. Yeah, I needed a drink for that. Okay. All right, so now moving on to this stuff. This is actually the lifting serum. So this is where your moisture is. Plus there's also some other ingredients in here that are going to actually help for the advanced signs of aging. Yes, that would be for me. Suitable for sensitive skin. It's oil and fragrance free. Non-comedogenic. This is very important because a lot of ladies out there start getting acne after their prime years. It's kind of a weird phenomenon, but I'm assuming it's probably due to the fact that we have hormonal changes in our body, and over 40 is one of them. It's not unusual to have a little something happen after you're 40. Now, I'm quickly approaching 50, which I'm just going to have another drink for that. Okay. So what I'm going to try to do right now with this stuff right here is slow down the signs of aging and slow down the clock ticking away, okay? So I'm just going to have one squirt right there. That's all I'm going to do. That's all I need. This little squirt is going to be enough to put all over my entire face and neck. And I like to push upward when I'm putting this on. I try not to use these fingers too much, and the reason why I don't is because these are stronger fingers. These are the strongest fingers on your entire hand besides your thumbs. So these never touch. These rarely ever get to my face. I usually just kind of lift my index fingers upward. And then I just push up. Whatever I can do to anti-gravitize my face and my neck and all this business over here. So I like to put all this on all over. It feels nice. It feels not greasy, but soft. Yeah, I love that. I love that. I probably need as much help as I can get underneath there, but I have something else for that. And this stuff, y'all, this stuff right here. And I actually heard my mentor, one of my mentors, Don Barton, actually say something about this this metal tip that's on here. See that, y'all? It's crazy cool. The metal tip is always cold. She said it's like alien metal. And she was kidding and she was joking, but I think it's kind of funny because that's what it seems like. This is eye renewal cream, okay? And what I do with this, I'm going to squirt just a tiny bit out of there, right there. And then right underneath my eye, because, oh, that tip is so nice and cold. I'm just going to smooth it out. As you get older, the fat underneath your eyes starts to shift in weird ways. And not everybody does this, and because there's retinol in this product, this is something that you should be very careful with. I put a little bit of this eye cream up on top because guess what else you get as you get older? Sagging eyelids. So I mean, seriously, I didn't have, you see that fold right there that comes over the eyelid? I didn't have that 20 years ago. Just saying. All you young people out there right now looking at me going, good Lord, I'm glad I'm not her. Just wait. Your day will come. Your day will come. Yeah, this feels so good. The cold tip on this thing, it's almost like a ball. It's so awesome. So you put it underneath your eyes. And like I said, I put it up here because it helps tighten the eyelid up a little bit. So it's not quite so hooded by the time it kind of sits. It takes a little while for this stuff to kind of work. It about 10 minutes or so for it to start, for you to be able to see the effects of what this stuff can do for you. So I absolutely love this stuff. Oh my God. You guys, I was using the regular set that we have for the longest time, for years and years. I only switched over to this line right here, the repair line. That stuff is freaking amazing. I was really hesitant for some reason. I don't even know why. To switch over. Maybe I just didn't want to admit I was old enough to need it. What do you think? But I'm going to tell you, the set here, this set right here, the whole set, all 5 pieces, only $205 for the whole thing, and it lasts about 3 to 4 months. And here's the awesome part. You can buy it as a set, but then if you run out of like one thing, like say you used up all this in like 2 months, I would have done if I had known better. If you just run out of one thing, you could just order the one part that you need. Yay! And then you only have to pay for that one part. So you can just kind of cycle them as you need them, which is fantastic. So look at how beautiful my skin looks though. Seriously, all of you, just type in the comments underneath and say, girl, you don't look 47, you don't even look 37, and you'll be my new best friend for the whole entire week. Serious, I'd love to see that right down here in these comments. You guys, give me some shout outs. Let me know how gorgeous this makes my skin look. I look good, y'all. I look good. My skin has never looked or felt this good. I'm not even kidding. I am so glad I switched over to this one. The other one is good, but I'm older. And as my friend Don Barton would say, I got more character in my face. You see what I'm saying? So this line has been a lifesaver for me, and I absolutely love it. So if you're older like me, then you're going to love this set. If you're under 40, then you could use the other set that I've been using for, what, like 10, 12 years? I love that stuff. And I absolutely swear by it because I wish I had a picture of my sister who's like 3 years younger than me, who, number one, she smokes like a freight train. I'm just going to say that right now. And she doesn't take care of her skin. She even sleeps in her makeup most nights. Let me just tell you, if you sleep in your makeup, you're adding 13 days to your face every single time you do it. Create a new habit where you wash your face every night. I brush my teeth every night. I wash my face every night. And you should too. No matter how much you drink and how much you end up passing out on the floor, make sure that before you get into bed at night, you wash your face and you brush your teeth. Anyway, this is my fabulous product, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The set that I'm using here, this is our repair set, and it is $205. If you would like to shop on my my personal store, if you're on my website, jodicordell.com, go to the little tab at the top that says Shop with Me. So, oh, and by the way, sharing is caring. So share this video with people and let them see how amazing my skin looks. Oh my God, I wish you guys could feel through the screen right there how beautiful and smooth and soft my skin feels right there. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I've used a lot of products in my day. I would use the stuff you buy at Walmart, and I've used the stuff you buy at Sephora. The stuff at Sephora is amazing. It is. Some of it's a little overhyped, but some of it's good. I've used lots of different products from over there. But I spent a lot of money over there too. So if you can have an entire system for the amount that you would pay for one product at Sephora, hello, I'm on board. That's what got me. And like I said, I've been using this stuff for a long time. I've been using the eye makeup remover. I've been using the cleanser and the moisturizer. And I've been using a lot of the cosmetics line as well. So I'll talk about more of that in another video. But Anyway, so now my face is all fresh and clean, and it's Friday night. I've got my wine, and it's time for me to go hang out with my husband and watch a movie. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like underneath if you did, and share with your friends, and leave me some comments. Tell me what you think, and if you have other ideas that you would like for me to talk about, I'd love to hear them. So thank you again, and you guys have a wonderful night. Bye.